No fucking way. Don't tell me this person's playing the flutes like this. Whoa, this was an incredible switch up. No, this was really amazing. I'm really feeling this. I'm really feeling this. I'm really not gonna lie. I'm just a raggedy. Hello guys, welcome back to Raver channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day and hope you guys are enjoying my music creation. Well, today we're going to be listening to Train Train. That's the title. I don't know the name, but what is written here is Train Train. So those are going to be listening to today. This is actually my first time coming across this. So I want to react and watch it with you guys. So let's watch and listen. Incredible. This person is. Let's go. Ooh. No fucking way. Don't tell me this person's playing the flutes like this. Oh, God. Wow. Whoa, this was an incredible switch up. No, this was really amazing. I'm really not gonna lie. I'm just a raggedy hobo. Lord, I'm leaving here. I'm just a raggedy hobo. Well, that woman I'm in love with, Lord, she's got to go. I'm not gonna lie, this music was actually amazing. Like, first of all, the way the guy was using the flute, like, I couldn't even believe that it was a flute. Well, think I really need to watch the video of this amazing music because it was really incredible. There are a lot of things that my ears can't just listen alone. That I want to feel my eye with, like what is really happening. Like from the start and when they were playing the flute, like that person that played that thing there was really amazing, and the switch up was blast. Like the way they switch up the thing was, it was really amazing, and I really did enjoy this music. I vibe to it. I love the way they sang the music. It was really amazing. The beat was amazing. It was incredible. I really did enjoy this music. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also please don't forget to recommend more music video for me to react on. See you guys in my next video. Raver, I love you guys. Kisses.